Today's Living Local Carolina was sponsored by Horry Georgetown Technical College.
Grateful to be here at Horry Georgetown Technical College. I'm here with Sherry Tanner, and it's so excited to be here with you. How are you doing today?
Good. Thank you for coming today. We really appreciate you highlighting our program today.
And I want you to just talk about the program, what it entails. You know, what can the students expect if they were to enroll in your particular program?
Yes. So we are a 5-semester program. We also allow them to start their clinical education on the first semester of the program. We just get them dive deep right into the health care facilities in our Horry and Georgetown counties. But we do give them like a 5-week boot camp where we do everything in our lab and expose them to, we prepare them before we put them in the hospital by using our mannequins and all our equipment that we have in our lab here.
Right, that's wonderful, and I love this. It's so practical, rather,
yes.
You know?
Yeah.
So people can get a real idea of what you're going to experience. Dr. Martell, it is so great to meet you and to learn about your program. Why don't you start by telling us a little bit about it?
Well, thank you so much for having me, and welcome to the Physical Therapist Assistant program. Our program is a 5-semester program. Okay. Our students complete both classroom, laboratory, as well as clinical rotation experiences.
Well, let's talk about where we are now and I guess what the students would experience in this setting.
Yeah, so we are so fortunate. What you see here is a high fidelity simulator, and what that means is it is the most lifelike simulator to really mimic working on someone in the clinical environment. You can see that he can open his eyes. He has the ability to talk. His joints move. So when you graduate, you can work in hospitals, skilled nursing facilities, home health, outpatient centers, schools. We work with athletes. The options are limitless.
I love that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much.
This is great.
Yeah, thank you.
Gina, it is so good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
To talk about the occupational therapy program here. Tell me about it.
Occupation to us is considered anything that you need to be able to do throughout the day. That's cooking and dressing, balancing your checkbook, being able to get around in the community and all those things.
This is where the students come and get to kind of demonstrate or have exercises.
Yes, what we're standing in right now is the Physical Therapist Assistant Department.
Okay.
Because we're a new program, our labs haven't been created yet.
Mm-hmm.
So when our lab is done, what it will look like is a little mini apartment. So we'll have a kitchen and a living area and a bedroom and a bathroom so that we can help people do, they're called ADLs, Activities of Daily Living. When you think about someone with a right hand injury who's right-handed, now they're doing everything left-handed, that's really, really hard.
Right.
So we help people learn to redo those things again.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is great.
Thank you.
Jennifer, it's so nice to meet you and to learn about the program here. Tell me about it.
So our dental assisting program here, it's a 9-month program, 2 semesters. There's no requirements, there's no prereqs, so it's a very good and easy program, a really great way to get started in the world of dental.
So we have our student and we have our assistant. Tell me about just this whole setup we have going on right here.
So this is actually one of our community dental units, and we utilize these 6 units for our dental assisting students to learn how to pass instruments safely and quickly. They learn how to suction right here, sometimes on a peer student partner, sometimes on a Dexter unit, and that way they can really learn in a more realistic environment what it's like. I would say that if you want to join a program where you will very easily be able to find employment after, this is the program for you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Today's Living Local Carolina was sponsored by Horry Georgetown Technical College.